PGP GLAS PLC is the only glass manufacturing company in Sri Lanka with a rich history over 65 years, which was initiated by a group of Ceylonese entrepreneurs after the country gained political independence. The company began modestly but grew with the technical guidance received from Nippon Glass in Japan and subsequently with BGI, Thailand, initially manufacturing amber quart bottles. The opportunity of coming under the umbrella of Piramal Group in 1999 spurred the company to reach greater heights. This strategic alliance paved the way for the company to have a global footprint in the industry. Then Blackstone acquired Indian Piramal Glass entity with Sri Lanka controlling 56% in 2021. Made the mandatory offer as per the provisions of the Company Takeovers and Mergers Code, for buying all remaining shares in market at LKR 11.86 per share. After mandatory offer, Blackstone acquired 211 million shares by paying LKR 11.86 per share. Then Blackstone increased their stakes up to 79%. PGP Glass ultimate parent is Blackstone. Blackstone is leading global investment private equity firm with having over 650 billion assets, Blackstone Group as being a much larger resources for future greenfield and brownfield investment which will help spur future growth. Blackstone has a great experience regarding global glass packaging from its subsidiary Gerresheimer, and it helped for PGP Glass expanding within USA and Europe with their high-network client base. As the island's sole manufacturer, PGP Glass offers the entire molded range of glass bottles for the food and beverages, pharmaceuticals, liquor and cosmetics and perfume industries. Glass is made from natural raw material which is advantageous to our health since glass has an outstanding barrier that fights and protects against outside influences. Glass is non-porous and impermeable. Glass mainly uses resources dolomite and silica which is being obtained domestically, Nathandia. PGP Glass became one of the largest and most trusted manufacturers of glass packaging in the world as a result of a passion for excellence in each member of our staff has possessed. Our proven technical and design expertise provide ongoing support to new product developments in glass packaging and decoration solutions, especially for critical applications and designs. PGP Glass has been a front-runner in the glass industry in its application of digital technology within its manufacturing facilities. With the growth and expansion, we have provided more facilities to increase our quality standards to provide good quality products to our consumers locally and internationally. Increase in capacity for glass gives way to reduce the plastic bottle consumption which is harmful to the environment and the consumer. Glass manufacturing is a 24-hour, 365-day operation with energy constituting 40% of the cost. The furnace is filled by furnace oil and LPG, while the company was looking to reduce its costs and increase its green footprint, by adopting an alternative source of energy which would be reliable, cost-effective and environmentally friendly. PGP Glass established the 3 MW power plant was installed in 2 phases. Today the rooftop plant contributes almost 20% of the total electricity consumption at the PGP Glass plant. Now we talks about their global destination clients base of PGP Glass. PGP Glass has a large geographic footprint, with a sales and distribution presence in most major markets across the globe. Because of our high-quality standards and service, we successfully created a path to compete in international markets. PGP Glass is one of the largest manufacturers of flacconage glass for the pharmaceuticals and perfumery businesses. PGP Glass' significant marketing presence in Europe, USA and South America enables us to build more intimate relationships with customers and respond to their needs quickly and efficiently. Dealing with international market brings immense benefits to the company as well as to Sri Lanka. Budget proposal and recent import restriction will be added advantageous for PGP Glass so far. Most benefits deliver to companies which use local resources for their business. Main local customers include Distilleries Company, Cargill Ceylon PLC, Carson Cumberbatch, GlaxoSmithKline Pharmaceuticals, Coca-Cola Beverage, Unilever Sri Lanka etc. Liquor and beer segment major contribute to glass revenue and rest contribute from food and beverage, chemical and agriculture, trading. In Sri Lanka, tourism's industry again come back correct path. Once again tourists arrive to Sri Lanka like earlier, definitely generate higher demand for liquor items, that will be most benefited to PGP Glass so far. Globally steady and robust demand arise for liquor segments. PGP Glass also main supplier of foreign well-branded bottle supplied. Now, we turn into recently issued first quarter report in 2023. PGP GLAS PLC recently reported its results for the first quarter year ended June 30, 2023. First quarter revenue was at LKR 3,884 million as against LKR 1,876 million of the corresponding period, reflecting a growth of 107% its revenue. The profit after tax for the grew from 235 million rupees to 660 million rupees. The both domestic, foreign sales record super performance during in the first quarter 2023. Even though having global supply chain disruptions impacting the container availability and rising fuel costs in e-market. Performance is brilliant ones during the uncertainty period. Strongly believe that the revenue for the next few quarters remain stronger with sort out this uncertainty timely manner. The gross margin for the quarter was remain flat compared to the similar period of the previous year even though having major uncertainty condition in market. Highly confidence with coming quarters higher level of export revenue and greater EPS in historical highest. According past 5 years financial summaries, there is improvements of revenue, gross profit as well as net profits. Recent year 2022, revenue increased by LKR 1.7 billion as percentage 20%. Newly released PGP Glass first quarter report showed 107% growth of revenue compared with comparative figures. How is Glass recorded more than 100% growth in revenue in first quarter report even though having many uncertainties, such as hike of fuel and gas prices, higher inflation and packaging material cost. Glass keep their position higher earning that have been compelled to take multiple price increases in both domestic and export markets in order to partially recoup the exceptional cost inflation. Most importantly, we have ensured the continuous supply of glass containers for all domestic food, pharma and beverage industry as they depends 100% on our manufacturing facility for their glass packaging needs. Our highest priority continues to be to grow the export markets in order to improve the foreign exchange earnings both for the company as well as for the country, which is the need of the moment. PGP Glass have been addressing new markets and new product launches in premium specialty segments in order to improve substantially our profitability too. Despite the challenging operating environment, company has delivered a steady performance and crossed a revenue milestone of 10 billion rupees last year 2022 in view of recent brilliant quarter financial. SL Watcher focus revenue as LKR 16,450 million and LKR 4,112 million gross profits and LKR 3,125 million profit after tax. Forecasted annualized EPS is LKR over 3.32 and expected minimum dividends is LKR 1.50 per share. PGP Glass keep monopoly in glass market and import restrictions further benefits for sole producer. Currently, using production capacity 300 tons per a day and operating 6 manufacturing lines. Globally glass-related companies' PER is above 25, PGP Glass still trading lowest PE level and hopefully it will break 52 weeks all-time highest price LKR 23.70 with great potential in their business. Look at 4 years quarters-based EPS graph. There is improvements of EPS in each year and every times, EPS start from highest point and improve quarter EPS compared with comparatives. Hopefully, pending quarters perform beyond predictions amount. Then look at profit after tax chart also, it also improved with comparatives, SL Watcher impressive about glass and has hidden potential upside. Have no worries glass its potential, US-based company Blackstone is ultimate parent and their past exposure and higher client base generate more business so far. Glass absolutely good for investment rather than trading, because of investment may create maximize wealth of stakeholders. Thank you for watching my video, please subscribe channel and share with others person who needed knowledge regarding capital market. We will meet again like such a valuable content. Good luck.